Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a come shop with me. I haven't done one of these in a hot minute around Wembley, London designer outlet. Now, first off, if you're new, hi, my name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe. If you're not already, I do make come shop with me's hauls, all that kind of thing. So if that's your kind of jam, take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you. But as I was saying, this video is going to be a come shop with me around London designer outlet. Now, if you've not been, it is located in Wembley by Wembley Stadium. So it's on the Met line, Metropolitan line, as in the Tube lines, Met line and Jubilee, and it's got quite a decent-ish range of shops, particularly sports focused because of the location a bit. They've got like all the major sports brand that you expect, like Nike, Adidas, Converse, Puma, New Balance, Skechers, Champion, Asics, those Vans, North Face, Timberland, like that kind of vibe. All of those are there. You have got a few more other shops, like you've got M&S outlet, Clark's outlet was under refurbishment, Next outlet, Lindor, like Lint. They also have a few more shops that weren't there when I was there before. So French Connection, I didn't really, it was very quiet when I went because I went on like a Monday morning. There was no one about. They've got Ben Sherman, they've got, what else, like Kurt Geiger, they've got a Rituals, but I'm not sure if the Rituals was just for Christmas or something because there was a sign on the door, but it looked like a ritual store inside. But yes, I'm going to show you some of those shops now, so please take a moment to continue watching this video and let's go on into it. This is the walk down from Wembley Park Station, and here we are at London Designer Outlet. As you can see, we've got Asics here, so it's very a sports focused shopping outlet destination. Asics, then Champion, and then we have got, I can't remember what the next one is, Skechers, you know, that kind of sportswear. There's Nike on the left hand side, and other shops going down along the way, Puma and stuff like that, Converse, Vans, New Balance. But we are going to have a look in Tommy Hilfiger. Tommy Hilfiger is one of my faves. They had a sale within like the outlet, you know, sale on sale kind of stuff. Like this shirt was £26. If it was in my size, I probably would have bought it. It is a nice smart shirt, but it was not in my size, so didn't buy it. But taking a look at the other prices, like these were the outlet prices, so we're talking about £85 for that. But I always look for those red ticket items, I suppose, if you want to call them those, in Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein, because they're the same like parent company. They always have these. I'm struggling to get this out here, guys, but they always have a sale on sale. Look out for these red, and that is a lot of money still, but those are the items that I think that people should look at. That's like the sale on stuff. And like these were £84, where I've got a sweater like that in the Bicester one for a lot less, around £30. The other year, I think it might have been last year, like a quarter zip. Love a quarter zip. And I actually, while I'm recording this, I might wear that one tomorrow to work. But yeah, and then they've got jumpers and stuff like this here. This was 110. See, I don't think that's a particularly good deal as well, but there we go. Calvin Klein, they also had a sale on sale section. I would have got these if these were in my size, because these were such a good price as well. For like Calvin Klein jeans, these were £33. They did not have them in my size. Shadowed here, but we move on. They had French Connection outlet, didn't get any footage in there. They had Ben Sherman as well, which is new. Got this slightly small amount of footage. This was £20. If they had it in my size, I would have bought it, but they didn't. This was around, oh, that one didn't have the additional price on. This was 20 quid as well. Lots of nice polos in there. This is the sale section at the back. That's what I would kind of pay attention to when you're going outlet shopping. Also went to Converse. They do nice t-shirts and stuff, not too expensive, £19.50 for that one. Really like this quarter zip with the like little logo in the corner. This was, I believe, 35 instead of 50, so not an insane amount of discount, but a good one nonetheless. And then they've also got a lot of shoes, like their Converse shoes were really good prices, I would have to say. So that was Wembley outlet. I know I didn't get awful lots of footage. I'm still getting back into the swing of doing come shop with me's and stuff because I've been out of the out of the loop for quite some time, because work has been crazy, everything has been crazy, I know. But yeah, that is what I got up to in Wembley. I wouldn't say they had a really nice, you would have seen in Ben Sherman, a really nice shirt XL. But it was so nice. They had like a sale section at the back. It was so nice, but didn't buy that. Because I didn't actually buy anything. Shock horror. I tried on so many trainers. Like so many. In Converse, I tried them on, left, and went back and tried them on again just to make sure. Because they were so good. They were £33 for some white, all white. They were literally all white Converse, but not like the canvas one. They were like proper trainers, you know. Not like the all-stars, but just couldn't do it. They just did not feel comfortable. I have come to the realisation I've got a very flat foot, no high arch, no arch really at all. Well, I have, you know, to a degree. I'm just looking at my foot now, but I don't need arch support really, because there's no arch there. So I need a very flat trainer, basically. I've come to the realisation, like, I look at the bottom of trainers, and if they do, you know, that curve bit like that, I just can't do that. That doesn't hurt, that hurts. And the Puma ones that I've got, can't do anymore. I've come to a realisation, I love the style of them, but like, not working out for me, thank you. Yeah, no, it's just every shoe I picked up, it was like this. The Converse ones were a bit more flatter, but not really. But I think I'm going to make an order on Zara, because Zara, I've gotten really well with Zara shoes in the past. If you watch my previous video, I go into a bit more depth and even show you one of the shoes. But yes, Wembley was a bit of a bust today. I didn't buy anything. I nearly bought in M&S what do you call it? Christmas jumper. But I went in New Balance. I didn't try any on there. I don't really want to pay 50 quid for some trainers again, but might have to. But yeah, there wasn't really anything I wanted from the selection that it was giving. It was not giving. In Next, they changed round the whole thing, so I was very confused when I went in there. I feel like the men's section is now smaller. French Connection, I don't think the discounts were particularly great. Rituals is not great with discounts anymore, even in the Bicester Village shop. So like, it's now like 16 quid for the bathroom when it used to be 9. It's like nearly doubled in price. And they don't do the scent that my mum likes anymore. It seems in a bath foam, but yeah. But yeah, other than that, let me know if you've been to Wembley Outlet recently at all. Have you been to any outlets? Are you getting any good stuff in the outlets? I don't think I even bought anything last time I went to Bicester. What has become of me? But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and if you're not ready, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you for doing so. Just click that bell down below, ring it, click the button, ring the bell, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, man, I still go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.